In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate HubSpot with WooCommerce. We'll walk through the process directly inside your WordPress dashboard, so you can easily connect your online store with HubSpot and start syncing your customers and orders for better marketing and sales. First, log into your WordPress admin dashboard. Once you're in, look over to the menu on the left-hand side. Find the option labeled Plugins. Don't click it yet. Instead, hover your mouse over it. A small submenu will appear just to the side. In that submenu, click on Add Plugin. You'll now be taken to the plugin installation page, where you can browse and search for plugins to install on your WooCommerce site. At the top left of the screen, you'll see a search bar. Click into that search bar and type HubSpot, then press Enter on your keyboard. WordPress will search the plugin directory and show you a list of matching results. Give it a moment to load, then look through the search results for the official HubSpot plugin. It should be clearly labeled with the HubSpot name and logo. Once you've found it, click on the plugin to open its information page. This page gives you details about what the plugin does, compatibility, and reviews, which can be helpful if you want to double check that you've got the correct one. On the right-hand side of this plugin page, you'll see a button that says Install and Activate. Go ahead and click that. WordPress will now download, install, and immediately activate the plugin for you. This may take a few seconds, so just wait until the process finishes. When it's done, you'll automatically be taken back to your list of installed plugins. Now that the plugin is installed, scroll through your plugins list until you find HubSpot. Under the HubSpot plugin name, you'll notice a link that says Settings. Click on that to open the HubSpot settings and dashboard inside WordPress. Here, you'll see options to connect your site to your HubSpot account. If you already have a HubSpot account, simply click Sign In and log in with your existing details. If you don't have an account yet, choose the option to create a new one, then follow the prompts on screen. HubSpot will guide you step by step through setting up your account and authorizing the connection back to your WordPress and WooCommerce site. Once you've signed in or created your account and completed the prompts, your HubSpot integration with WooCommerce will be active and ready to use.